Chico, have you seen my shit? What's that for?
Protection.
Protection? Protection from who?
I gotta walk this girl home, Pop. We might fuck. I don't know.
Oh, no, sir. You boys are nothing but punks. Sissified. So quick to pick up a condom. When I was growing up, this is all the protection you need. You might get something, you might not. But you live. You live the fucking other day. You think you're a man with that condom in your hand, don't you?
Shit, I'm a man without it. Fuck the man.
Put the condom down, son. Now you're a man.